We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes us to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. This is exactly why we try so hard to satisfy everyone we meet. When we receive glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide a first-class experience. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.